Alright, ready?
I beat you, come on.
This one can't go on YouTube. I knew I'm good.
Now I got 2.
Maddie, how long do you get to stay for?
Hey, you can't do the shaky thing like I do. I just puked in my mouth.
I did too. Are you puking? Green light! Oh! I wonder if they can hear us burping.
Do you hear us? Do you hear us?
Oh, I can't get anything.
You girls are.
Red light!
Oh shoot, I threw my mouth in.
Me too.
That was horrible.
Green light!
Oh, I can't do it.
I'm not afraid to burp.
Did you hear that? I was like,
I'm almost out.
that one was good. Your boobs are like everywhere. Got trippy with this one.
We can show Kaden.
Okay, are we done?
No. Not until our soda's gone.
I'm gonna puke, man.
I'm just gonna hold my boobs still. That one was good.
You always steal mine.
I think I'm like literally taking your burps for mine. Clean it.
Wait.
Oh.
Hey! Come on.
Hey! We won't show anyone.
That part. We'll cut that part. Don't puke.
Ew, puke. Ew.
Rayna just puked.
Again. Yellow light. She touched the window. Green light. Yellow light. Ah, you stole mine.
Okay, I think I'm out.
Having fun.
I'm winning.
I'm out. Are you out?
Mm.
Oh, that's so gross.
Ah. How many times did you let puke?
Like 4.
Did you guys really puke? Pretty much.
We puked in our mouth and we're like,
Yeah.
no, I didn't get.
We're like burping up puke, guys.
Are you done?
No way. I still have some.
much.
We played my tag.
I wonder if I like do the high one too if you burp. It worked.
Green light.
Do it again. Do it again. It didn't work that time. That way you're like, oh. Yeah. Quit myself again. Okay.
Can we play my
We're
tag?
done. We are done. Peace,
5 minutes
love, and happiness.
and 49 seconds
of burping.